Welcome to the step 4 of the solar system activity. Now that we have learned to add a planet and make the planet move around the sun, we know that all the planets in our solar system, well, not all, but most of the planets in our solar system, they have moons moving around them, right? So we know that our planet Earth has one moon that moves around the Earth, okay? So what we are going to do is, now we are going to add a moon and make that moon move around the Earth. So let's first add the moon. So we can add the moon by using this add moon block. So you will see the moment you place this add moon block, it says add the moon at a distance of 2 units from the Earth. So you can select the distance from the object. So you can say distance of 2 units from the Earth. So we know that our Earth is at a distance of 15 units from the Sun. So at a distance of 2 units from the Earth will be from the center of the Earth. Okay, so basically the moon by default would be at a distance of total of 17 units from the sun, right? So we are going to use this block to add a moon for our planet Earth. Now, what we need to do is we need to make this moon move around the Earth, right? So we can use this move moon around Earth block. Now you see it says moon, earth, sun in the drop downs here. So you can make whichever object move around any other object. But right now I'm going to keep it as move moon around the earth. Now we were making the earth move around the sun in 10 seconds. So moon moves at a faster speed around our earth. So we are going to say move moon around earth in 4 seconds. You can make this duration a bit shorter if you want. Let's say 2 seconds. Okay. And let's see how will that look. Also, you will see we have a block that says hide grid. So you see these circular orbits and these red, blue and green lines, they are the grid and the orbit. So you can use this hide grid and bring this again once more and change the grid option to orbits to hide the grid and these orbits whenever you're playing your game. Okay. So now when you click on this green play button, you will see that the moon is moving around the earth in 2 seconds. You can see the moon moving around the earth at a faster speed. And you can see the earth moving around the sun. So again, I'm going to click on keep playing to show you the entire project. So you see, I have the moon moving around the earth. Moon is moving around the earth and moving around the earth at a distance of 2 units. Okay. And you can see the grid and the orbits have disappeared. And we have the previous code from all the previous steps already running. So the earth is already moving around the sun because of the code that you wrote in step 3. Okay, awesome. So you can click on this next step button to move to the next step again.